Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel, The House of Jane. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I do all sorts of unboxings, and today I am unboxing my first Tea, Pray, Love box. I got this box, unfortunately, like 2 weeks ago, and I have not had time to unbox it, so I'm a little late for the party. But this is January's box, and I just cut the tape. So let's see what it looks like. Comes just like this, and this is all I did, is I opened up the tissue paper. Yes, ma'am. So this is my first box, and I have to tell you, I believe this comes out quarterly or every other month. I'm sorry, I really don't know. But I will link the website down below, and I do have a code for 10% off your first box if you'd like to get the next box, and they also have a special Valentine's Day box. So the first thing is this mask. There you go. It's Honey Nourishing Mask. And I got what's called the Premier Tea Box. There's different boxes on their website. They also have a box that specializes in coffee. I'm a huge coffee drinker as well, but I also love my tea. And so I think everybody got this mask, regardless if it was for tea or coffee. And it came in a daily skin mask, charcoal, or honey. I'm glad I got the honey. So that is a $3 value for a one-time use mask. Very nice. Then everything's still really nicely packed with all this little tissue stuff, which I'm sure my cat would just love to put all over the house. Second item I see on top is this lovely tin Gardenia Lily. It's a candle. It is a 4.1 ounce candle, which is a nice size. If I can only get it open. Oh, smells delicious. So this, goodness, doesn't it look like a tuna can? But this would really be a nice little container to have after the candle is spent. I mean, it's already decorated. It has a seal here. So I really do like that candle, and that candle goes for, geez Louise, where is the candle? Oh, $14 for the candle. It is a soy candle, so that looks really nice. I'm telling you, if you can smell this, you'd be like, it smells so good. Love it. Then I have something wrapped with a little red bow. I use this ribbon for my sewing, so I save it. I'm glad they wrapped it because it is a glass bottle. Ooh. It's by Wasiraju. Oh, I always butcher the names. It's probably Japanese. It's a balancing face oil of jojoba, hemp, and hibiscus. And this is a full size, 2 fluid ounces. I'm going to tell you, this would last me for a very, very long time, probably years. And that is worth a $24 value. And it's a balancing oil designed to regulate your skin's sebum production through a unique blend of organic jojoba oil, organic hemp seed oil, organic grapeseed oil, and more. It's ideal for all skin types, from the oiliest of faces to the driest. So I assume it just says just massage a few drops onto clean skin. So I'm very interested in trying it. Ooh, lookity, lookity, lookity. There's dried flowers floating in there. I don't know if you can see that. That's kind of cool. Let me see if it smells. Wow, It does have a smell. It doesn't smell bad, I tell you that. Really nice. So far, this box is batting 1,000. Here we go. Moriah Natural Glow. It's a scrub, a facial scrub. And a generous, let's see how many ounces, 4.39 ounces. That will last me a long time as well. And that scrub is a $12 value. You could have either gotten a milky cleanser or a gentle scrub. I like the scrubs. I'm glad I got this versus the cleanser. I like to exfoliate my face. I usually keep one of these in the shower, and every time I shower, I exfoliate. Yes, ma'am. Very nice. But wait, she says, there's more. Let's get to the tea. Okay, this is only 1 ounce of tea. I kind of figured I'd get a little bit more, but it's called Tuxedo Truffle, a black tie affair, and it is organic black tea. Black tea is my favorite. And so this is loose tea, so I brought over, this is one of my favorite teacups. Isn't that adorable? This is my cup. It didn't come in the box, but I brought it over, which I thought I brought it with, oh, look at this, I threw something away. I didn't bring my tea strainer, but I do have a little tea strainer, and I use that to soak my tea. So this is really nice, and this is worth $8 for 1 ounce. So it's high quality tea, and I didn't realize when I took out all that, this stuff that makes a mess in your house, they also included a little bag with 2 teas, Fire Pot, it's a turmeric chai black tea, and another Fire Pot tea, Temple of the Sun. So these are single servings of black tea. I had put on my profile, black tea is my favorite, so I love to try new teas. This is really nice. These come, this would be a little bag, I believe. I don't know if there is a value for that, but I don't see a value for that, so maybe it was just like a little freebie. I don't know. Then they included an Earl Grey chocolate bar, so reminiscent of Earl Grey tea. And this is by Sugarfina. It's white and milk chocolate blend with Earl Grey flavor. So this will get demolished in my house between my son and probably me. I'll admit it, and me. That chocolate bar is almost 10 bucks, $9.95 for a chocolate bar. That's really expensive for a chocolate bar. I have to say I'm a little surprised. But all right, that's what you get in a subscription box. You get expensive things that you normally wouldn't pay for on your own, right? At least I do. And the last thing in my box is a bookmark. Miraculous beauty is always around you, ready for you to look closely. And then on the back it says, beautiful thoughts change your mindset, which can change your life. Yeah, it could. It can change your mindset. And then this lovely book, which looks like a journal. Oh, it's not a journal. It's an actual book. So it's a book, it looks like a book of gratitude. It's a book of poems. That was surprising. So it's a book to make you feel good. Nurture your mind with great thoughts. I need this now because some of my thoughts these days are probably not very healthy, seeing that we're still in a pandemic and still in a volatile political climate in a lot of respects. You know, I could be having some better thoughts. And I know my thoughts will improve once this pandemic is over and I can start traveling again, because that's what I'm missing the most. So that is the Tea, Pray, Love box. My first box. Let me know what you think of it. I'll list down below what I paid. So just a quick recap. Got the book. Got 2 tea samples. Face mask. The full-size cleanser. The organic tea. The face oil, also full-size. This lovely candle in a lovely tin. And bookmark and a chocolate bar. I will list down below what I paid for it. Let me know if you have interest in it. I'll also leave the code for a 10% discount. They do have a Valentine's Day box, and I think their next box release, I should know this, it's maybe February or March. I will find out and link it below. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you like the products, let me know your thoughts. I hope I get a subscribe. You know you want to subscribe to the House of Jane, right? Don't you love seeing me? Because I love seeing you. And I will see you later in the next video. Bye.